Interior LED lights for cars are a popular aftermarket accessory, known for their ability to enhance the overall ambience and aesthetics of a vehicle's interior. These lights come in various colors and can be easily installed to create a personalized lighting experience. Users appreciate the vibrant and eye-catching illumination, which adds a touch of style and sophistication to their car's interior. The lights are often controllable through a remote or smartphone app, allowing users to adjust the brightness, color, and lighting patterns according to their mood and preference. Besides their decorative appeal, these LED lights also provide functional benefits such as improved visibility during nighttime driving. Overall, interior LED lights are praised for their easy installation, customizable lighting effects, and ability to transform the interior atmosphere of any car. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll showcase the top interior LED lights for cars in the market. Subscribe for updates and give this video a thumbs up as we dive right into the excitement. FOVAL has achieved an impressive 5th position in our rigorous evaluation, highlighting its exceptional qualities. The FOVAL car lights offer a stunning range of 16 million colors, allowing you to customize and adjust the brightness through a smart app. This feature creates vibrant and dynamic light music moments, enhancing your driving experience and making your car stand out. The car lights utilize 60 LED beads, providing brighter illumination within your vehicle. These LEDs are encased in 99.9% pure gold, ensuring long-lasting durability, improved efficiency, and reduced heat emission. The lights also come with a built-in sensitive microphone, enabling an interactive experience for passengers. Children or friends can engage with the lights by following the color changes, dancing to the music, or singing to trigger color shifts. This transforms the journey into a lively party atmosphere, preventing any boredom. The app integration further enhances the car interior lights, offering adjustable brightness, various music modes and scene options, timer settings for automatic power on/off, and a new level of personalized automotive interior customization. The lights are designed with a 2-line installation, facilitating quick and tidy setup without exposed wiring. These cool car accessories are compatible with any model of car, truck, van, SUV, Jeep, Wrangler, or boat. Mayadaner has garnered significant acclaim, securing an impressive 4th position on our prestigious list, thanks to its exceptional attributes. The car interior trim light strip utilizes the wireless Lotus Lantern app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices, for convenient control. It offers built-in 29 preset modes and 360-degree adjustability, allowing for a wide range of customization. With the app, users can effortlessly turn the lights on or off, change color modes, adjust brightness and timing, and even modify the speed of the modes, enabling a personalized car interior space. The installed optical fiber has a length of 236 inches, which can be cut into 3 to 5 strips. Each strip consists of 5 LEDs, with one short optical fiber connecting to each LED, and each end of a long optical fiber connecting to an LED. If the light appears dim, users can connect an LED at both ends to enhance the brightness. The light strip also features a built-in sound-sensitive function, allowing it to synchronize with any sound captured from the microphone. This enables the lights to change colors in response to the music rhythm or your voice. The LED car interior lights operate at a voltage of 12 V and are equipped with short-circuit protection and a memory function. Additionally, they are waterproof and emit extremely low heat, ensuring safety and touchability for children. The product can be universally installed in all cars and trucks, and users have the flexibility to cut it according to the desired length for each strip. Moreover, the lights offer the option to customize unique color modes, allowing for a perfect enhancement to upgrade your car. OPT7 has undeniably proven its worth by securing an impressive third position on our list. Its revolutionary LED design integrates micro-LEDs of all three primary colors into a single SMD, surface mount device, resulting in a perfect blend of colors at the micro level and emitting a pure, brilliant light color. The Aura lighting strips are highly flexible, allowing them to bend, twist, and curve around any surface while providing excellent protection against various weather conditions. With the Soundsync TM mode, the light strips synchronize with your music, utilizing finely tuned bass-activated technology. Prepare to experience your favorite tunes in a whole new light. Keeping your convenience in mind, we have simplified the installation process to a simple car charger adapter. Just plug it in and turn it on. Once installed, you can easily select your desired color and pattern using our feature-rich EZ remote. These premium strip kits employ genuine 3M super strength molding tape, ensuring a durable hold that you can rely on. Nilight, a well-established and highly regarded brand, has secured a remarkable second position on our prestigious top list, thanks to its outstanding array of products. The LED strip lights feature bright 50/50 SMD LEDs that are waterproof, anti-collision, and anti-corrosion, ensuring durability and reliability. With wireless music control, users have the freedom to change colors, adjust brightness, and select from 4 music modes according to their preferences. The lights offer 8 color options, including red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan, and purple. The sound-activated feature allows for an immersive experience, as the colors change in sync with the car stereo music rhythm or your voice. Designed to illuminate the entire car interior, these LED strip lights are plug and play, making installation a breeze. Equipped with 48 bright 50/50 SMD LEDs, they provide high brightness and a uniform lighting effect, resulting in brilliant colors and lighting. To use the wireless remote, simply remove the battery cover before operating. The installation process is straightforward. Connect the black receiver box to the cigarette lighter, then install the cigarette lighter in your car to start using the LED light strip. Clean the surface where you plan to affix the lights, remove the tape on the back of the lamp strip, and stick it in the desired location. Insert the cigarette lighter and press the button of the car cigarette lighter to power the light strip. The IR remote can then be used to control the light strips easily. Connect the receiver box to the cigarette lighter, and after removing the battery cover, you can utilize the wireless remote for seamless control. Winzwon has earned its well-deserved top position on our list by providing a product that excels in terms of safety and reliability. One of the standout features is the interior car light, which can be easily added to any space within your vehicle. These USB car LED strips are specifically designed to lay the wires and position the lights in a way that provides pleasant accent lighting near the feet of both the driver and passengers. The convenience factor is also worth noting, as these lights do not require an additional connected device. Moreover, they offer a wide range of options, including adjustable brightness and various colors. The lights are perfect for creating accent lighting and offer different flashing, strobe, and random combinations. They can be set to strobe according to the music or respond to voice commands. Furthermore, they add a positive ambience to dates and are attention-grabbing in a favorable way. The USB car LED light is flexible, waterproof, and easy to install in the gap. Simply insert it into a USB port, test the lights, and then adhere the strip under the dashboard. The lights are USB rechargeable, which makes them safer and generates less heat compared to a cigarette port adapter. Additionally, the LED strip lights have a working voltage of 12V, and the USB port remains inconspicuous. With their vibrant colors, these 4PCS 48 LED car interior lights make fantastic gifts for friends and family, particularly during the holiday season, including Christmas. These strip lights are enjoyable accessories suitable for women, men, and teens, adding an extra element of fun to their vehicles. We appreciate your feedback. Kindly share your thoughts on interior LED lights for cars in the comments section. Your insights are invaluable as we strive for continuous improvement. Thank you for participating and contributing to our mission.